Teaching first steps in most of the programming languages is easy. In Python, we would say print hello world, run, and it works. In JavaScript, we would write console log hello world. Yeah, and there is hello world. It's not so easy in Java. In Java, first we need to create a class. So someone who wants to learn Java can ask now, okay, but what is a class? And we go with, class is that concept from object-oriented programming. So someone asks, okay, but what is object-oriented programming? So we go, it's one of the programming paradigms. Okay, just stop here. What is a programming paradigm? And it goes on deeper and deeper, but it doesn't end here, because then when we have a class, we need to create a method. Public static void main. Okay, so first thing, what is a method? What is public? What is static? What is void? And if we think that we are really doomed, yeah, it goes even deeper, because we need to pass an argument, string, and this weird square bracket, args. So many things, so many weird words, like public, like static, like void, like this string, args. What does it mean? It's just too much. Okay, in the next line, we finally can write system out print ln hello world, but we already lost a person. Someone wanted to learn Java, but now they don't even want to look at the screen anymore. Yep, first steps in Java are not easy, but it's going to change very soon with Java 21. Okay, a little bit later, because now in Java 21 it will be only a preview feature, but the changes are coming to Java and they're going to be really big. So from Java 21, if we turn on the preview features, we won't need to write this ugly boilerplate code. We will be able to do just this: void main system out print ln hello world. Yeah, and I'm going to run it to prove that it really does work. So we need to compile this file using javac compiler space dash dash enable dash preview hello Java. We got a feedback, we have an error here. We need to inform Java compiler which release we want to use. So once again, javac enable dash preview dash dash release 21 hello Java. Yeah, and it compiled. We have this hello.class file in our directory, and now we can run our code using Java enable preview. This time we don't need this release because it's already compiled. Hello. Yeah, and we see we have this hello world. So now if we want to teach someone Java, we won't need to explain all those keywords, all those things which are really confusing for a person who's just starting their adventure with a new language. Okay, so now you know how it works. The only question is, how can you test it on your computer? First, of course, you need to download the newest JDK. So JDK 21. And the second result here, Open JDK 21 early access builds. This is what you want. And here we have versions for different operation systems. I use Mac OS, so this is what I downloaded. After downloading and extracting the contents of the file, you go to library Java, and here you have Java virtual machines, and I put JDK 21 here. So now when I check the Java version in the terminal, I can see that it's OpenJDK version 21 early access. If you use Windows, it's similar. You choose the Windows version, you save it, you extract it, now you copy the contents and you put this folder somewhere on your disk. You can create a new folder here. I will call it Java. I will paste. And now you just need to tell your system where you can find Java. So you go to JDK21, you go to this bin folder, you select this path, right click, copy, and now you go to the start menu, type in environment. You can see edit the system environment variables. You go here to environment variables, and in system variables, you find path, you choose edit, and you just click new and paste what you just copied, this path, Java JDK21 bin. Okay, okay, okay. And now when you open the terminal, cmd java space dash version shows you the OpenGTK version 21 early access. So now you can use JavaScript compiler and Java to run your code. So have fun with Java 21 and don't forget about my other videos about Java.